Welcome to our presentation on GST Suvidha Providers, the driving force behind a seamless GST experience for taxpayers and stakeholders. In the dynamic world of taxation, GSPs stand out as innovative service providers offering convenience and efficiency to interact with the GST system. As technology enablers, GSPs bridge the gap between taxpayers and the GSTN, simplifying processes like registration, invoice management, and filing. By offering user-friendly interfaces across desktops and mobile devices, GSPs empower taxpayers to comply with GST regulations effortlessly. GSPs leverage secure GST system APIs to ensure the seamless flow of data, enabling real-time interaction with the GST network. Through GSPs, businesses can focus on growth while leaving GST compliance worries to the experts, resulting in a hassle-free experience. GSPs cater to a diverse range of taxpayers, providing tailored solutions that fit the unique needs of businesses across various sectors. With GSPs at the forefront, the GST ecosystem becomes more transparent, efficient, and conducive to economic growth. Embracing technology and innovation, GSPs are vital partners in India's journey towards a digitized and progressive tax landscape. The rollout of the GST bill is a collective effort, bringing together the central and state governments, taxpayers, IT platform providers, and other stakeholders. The backbone of this system is the collaborative work of the Goods and Services Tax Network, GSTN, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBC, and state tax departments. Alongside, we have several other crucial stakeholders, including tax authorities, RBI, banks, tax professionals like tax return preparers, chartered accountants, tax advocates, STPs, financial services companies, ERP companies, and tax accounting software providers. The GST system offers a G2B portal, providing taxpayers with direct access to the GST systems. But that's not the only way to interact with the system. Taxpayers have the freedom to choose third-party applications that provide user-friendly interfaces through desktops, mobile, and other devices. These third-party applications connect with the GST system through secure GST system APIs. Here is where the GST Suvidha Providers, GSPs, come into play. GSP is a term coined by GSTN, Goods and Service Tax Network, the private non-government entity responsible for owning and maintaining the GST portal. It aligns with the Digital India Initiative, which promotes a paperless tax compliance regime, ensuring transparency and reliability in conducting business across India. GSPs play a crucial role in simplifying GST compliance for taxpayers and stakeholders, offering user-friendly interfaces and seamless interactions with the GST system. With GSPs on board, we can ensure a smooth and efficient tax ecosystem, promoting a brighter future for businesses and individuals alike. 3 modes of interaction with GST portal. Filing directly on the GST portal. The primary mode of interaction for a GST taxpayer is accessing the GST portal directly to avail various services, including registration, GST return filing, refund applications, and other compliance tasks. However, some taxpayers may face challenges in filing returns online due to technical limitations in their ERP systems or accounting software. This can lead to manual efforts in preparing GST returns. To simplify the process and save time and effort, GST Suvidha Providers, GSPs, act as an indirect yet user-friendly platform to access the GST portal. ASP who is not a GSP. Certain entities act as application service providers, ASPs, and offer third-party applications for GST compliance. These applications have user-friendly interfaces accessible through desktops, mobiles, or other interfaces similar to other ASPs. To connect with the GST portal securely, such application developers utilize the GST System Application Programming Interfaces (APIs) with the assistance of GST Suvidha Providers. ASP, who is also a GSP. The most reliable mode of completing GST compliances is through a government-approved application service provider (ASP) that is also a GST Suvidha provider. These providers not only offer the necessary applications but also have authorized interactive platforms to access the GST portal directly. This approach eliminates third-party dependencies, enhances data processing speed, and ensures higher uptime, availability, and scalability for users through access to multiple GSPs. It would be very difficult to achieve this synchronization without automation. These application service providers will provide innovative and convenient methods of interacting with the GST systems, from registration to uploading invoice details to filing returns. In other words, GSTN can interact only with GSP, not with taxpayers. In GST framework, all taxpayers need to provide details of all invoices in a particular format for various returns. GST will give the automation for all the taxpayers. GST system will not allow to upload duplicate content. Taxpayers' convenience will be a key in success of GST regime. Every taxpayer requires a gateway of GSP to interact with GSTN for return filing. Thus, to conclude, GST Suvidha Provider (GSP) is an ecosystem of service providers created by the GSTN to provide innovative solutions, portal, mobile app, enriched application programming interface, either themselves or through its third-party partners for making tax filing more easy and convenient to taxpayers.